We are at Twin Palms in Panama City Beach, Florida. This is Sean and Alice, Coldwell Banker Realty.
In Panama City Beach.
And I forgot to say the name of our YouTube channel. How could I do that? Bay Real Experts. All right, you guys. Yeah, as we mentioned, we are at Twin Palms, checking out the views. A little bit overcast today, but we still got some turquoise waters. View of the pool here.
So we are on the 5th floor, first deck of Twin Palms. And the view is very nice. Look, the balconies are large. It's going around the corner.
So this is listed by Marina Grigoryan. Thank you for letting us do a
Marina.
buyer's agent preview of your listing here.
And she's in our office, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach.
Let's get a look at this unit. We'll start from the front door as usual and walk back through the unit.
So this is a two bathrooms, 1183 square feet.
Right as you walk in, you have laundry area.
This building was built in 2004. You guys have to apologize the mess. Somebody just checked out. Somebody's checking in the evening. So that's the only time that we have to get in here to give you a preview what those units look like.
Busy time of year, so yeah, as Alice said, people are, the units are completely booked, so we only get to show them when the beds aren't made.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're looking for an investment property, it's a good sign that it's fully booked. If we're doing a video and it's a messy unit, then it's renting good.
So you have a queen size bed over here in the guest towards the back. All the floors are tile floor. Kitchen has granite countertops, white appliances, fully furnished. Got your owner's closet right there. They're show it to you all. Spacious, so you can have a living room and a dining room table for gatherings. I'm gonna shut this off for the noise. And then the main bedroom with an ocean view has a king size bed, so you guys have an idea of the space in here. Exquisite furnishings, as my friend Marina said in her description.
If you guys make it all the way to the end of this video, go ahead and leave a comment below that says something exquisite. If you want to use the word exquisite, then we'll know that you'll made it to the end. Leave a comment with that word. And we're going to leave Alice's contact information below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. She'd love to help you with that.
And finish with the best.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because really, this view is awesome. Look at that blue. Look at the banana boats out there.
And if you guys have property that you want to sell in Panama City Beach, whether at Twin Palms or any other building or subdivision, we'd love to help you with that too.
Yes, and I forgot to tell you that this is a gated condo. If you don't have a code, you also don't get in. We mentioned that at the Gulf Crest condo as well. And they do have a indoor pool or sauna.
Should we time warp to that?
Yes.
And then we'll wrap up at that indoor pool. Okay, we lied. We said we were going to time warp to the pool, but I had to show where your mailbox would be if you wanted to get your mail here. Time warping again. Nice. Okay, so you have a spa that's indoors here, and also
I'm going to the sauna.
not too many buildings will you see a sauna and a steam room. So that's one of the cool things that this building offers that you can't find most other places. If you guys want to check the cards area up above for other videos we've done of Twin Palms, go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to give this a share, go for that.
They also have a place for barbecue over there. Look, they're having a party.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
You want to see if there's any leftovers out there?